right, we are here in the Acme Cryogenics booth at the SMC, joined by Brian Sanchi. Brian, thank you so much for being with us today. Can you kind of walk us through some of the things that you're talking about distributors?
Okay. Acme Cryogenics manufactures vacuum jacketed pipe at 2 facilities in the United States. In the Allentown, Pennsylvania shop, we manufacture specialty gas and medical gas equipment manifolds. We also manufacture gas blending equipment. And in our California facility, we manufacture ambient and electric vaporizers.
Well, you've got an incredible breadth of products here. Is there anything that distributors might not be aware of, or at least, you know, it's off the beaten path for them? Like they might be surprised that you do it?
I think it's when it comes to the cylinder manifolds, automatic changeover cylinder manifolds that we manufacture. They might not be aware of that because we have been selling a lot of our CGA fittings for their liquid and bulk tanks, also our final line manifold assemblies and vaporizers. But we do also specialize in manufacturing cylinder manifolds as well.
Absolutely. So this is a record-breaking attendance at this year's SMC. You've had a lot of distributors come by, I presume. You know, is there a commonality? Are you seeing any specific type of questions that are kind of emerging? That, you know, hey, what can Acme do for us?
No, it's the whole product line. It's either they need some fittings for their liquid and bulk tanks, or they have a requirement coming up that's going to need a vaporizer, or they have something else coming up that they need a special manifold assembly, okay, for their customers.
So like I said, we have record-breaking attendance, but for those members who weren't able to make it to San Antonio, what do you have to say to them?
We miss you, and we wish you were here so that we could explain to you how we could help you grow your business.
Absolutely. Is there anything coming up this year or in the next couple of years that has got you really jacked up, really excited to come to work every day?
Just the distributors always coming to Acme Cryogenics and saying, Brian, we got a new customer. How can you help us with your equipment? That's what gets me every day.
Perfect. Well, Brian, thank you for your time today. Thank you for your continued support of GAWDA and GAWDA Media, and we really appreciate it.
Thank you, Steve.